Have you ever pondered the significance of makeup on your special day? It's more than just colors and brushes. It's about enhancing your natural beauty and boosting your confidence. On your wedding day, you want to look and feel your best, and the right makeup can do just that. Consider this. Your makeup is not only there to accentuate your features, but also to complement your wedding theme and your personal style. A well-thought-out makeup look can tie everything together, making your special day even more magical. Whether it's a natural glow or a more dramatic look, makeup can transform and elevate your bridal look to a whole new level. It can capture the essence of who you are and how you want to be remembered on your wedding day. Just as the perfect dress is paramount, so is the perfect makeup look. It's all about creating that unforgettable image for your big day. Now, how about we dive into the step-by-step process of creating the perfect wedding makeup look? First things first, preparing your skin is crucial. This means starting with a good cleanser to ensure your face is free of dirt and oil. After cleansing, apply a moisturizer to hydrate your skin and create a smooth canvas for your makeup. It's like prepping the walls before painting. The better the prep, the better the final result. Next up is the foundation. Choose a shade that matches your skin tone perfectly. A good tip is to test it on your jawline to see if it blends seamlessly. Apply it all over your face using a makeup sponge or a brush, and remember to blend it well into your neck to avoid any harsh lines. Now let's move on to concealer. This magic tool helps to hide any blemishes or under-eye circles. Apply it in a triangle shape under your eyes and on any spots you want to cover. Blend it well for a flawless look. Eye makeup is next on our list. Start with a good eye primer to ensure your eyeshadow stays put throughout the day. Choose eyeshadow colors that complement your skin tone and the overall look you're going for. Play around with different shades until you find the perfect combination. Then, it's time for blush. A good rule of thumb is to apply blush on the apples of your cheeks and blend it upwards towards your temples. This will give you a natural, flushed look that's perfect for a wedding. Finally, we reach the grand finale, the lipstick. Choose a shade that complements your overall look. For a wedding, it's usually best to steer clear of bold, vibrant colors and stick to softer, more romantic shades. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to creating a flawless wedding makeup look. But don't forget one important thing, blending is key. Whether it's your foundation, concealer, eyeshadow, or blush, ensure everything is well blended for a seamless, natural look. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to rehearse your makeup look before the big day. Wondering what are the best pastel makeup brands to consider for your wedding? Well, let's unwrap this mystery. First up, we have Anastasia Beverly Hills. Known for its top-tier quality, this brand has a stellar reputation among makeup enthusiasts. Their pastel eyeshadow palettes provide not only a broad color range, but also an impressive longevity, ensuring your makeup stays flawless throughout your special day. Plus, their products are known to suit a variety of skin tones, making them an excellent choice for everyone. Next, let's talk about MAC. This brand is renowned for its extensive color range, especially in the pastel spectrum. From delicate pinks to ethereal blues, MAC offers shades that can match any wedding theme or personal style. And let's not forget about their lipsticks. They're creamy, long-lasting, and come in a variety of pastel hues, perfect for that sweet bridal look. Third on our list is Urban Decay. If you're after a brand that's all about quality and longevity, Urban Decay is your go-to. Their pastel eyeliners are a game changer, offering a smooth application and a stay-put formula that lasts all day. And their eyeshadow palettes? They're packed with highly pigmented pastel shades that blend seamlessly for a soft, romantic look. And last, but certainly not least, there's Too Faced. This brand is celebrated for its playful and innovative products. Their pastel blushes and highlighters are a must-try. They add just the right amount of glow and color, giving you that fresh, radiant look. And the best part, they suit different skin tones beautifully. Remember, makeup is a personal choice, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding the right products that suit your skin type, match your style, and make you feel your most beautiful. Choosing the right brand can make all the difference, so do your research, try out different products, and find what works best for you.